Hi, I'm Blake Schwank with Colorado Computer Support. Thank you for joining me for another Cyber Saturday. And I just had a friend that asked me, well, what about this email? Can I click on this email? Or if I get this email, how do I know? Is it okay to click on? And we do lots of training on this. We have phishing training that we do with our clients. But the bottom line is, I'm going to take this back to a great video, another video you should watch. Go search for Bob Newhart. Stop it. Bob Newhart, for you young people, was a comedian back in the day, and he had some great shows. But one of his classics is the Stop It video. Go Google Bob Newhart, Stop It, and think about that time every time you get an email in with a link on it. And the bottom line is, you get that email with that link in it, just stop it. Don't click on that link. Well, what if it's from somebody that's important? Just stop it. Don't click on it. Well, what if I need to do some business? What if I've got a deal? Just stop it. Don't click on that video. So what do you do instead? Is if I get something I'm not expecting that, and even if I am expecting it, I'm super careful, but I go out to the website. So you get an email from Wells Fargo saying, hey, this account is being shut down, or this payment failed, or you got this big deposit. Stop it. Don't click on that link. Go out to wellsfargo.com, log in. Every bank, every credit card has a message center that you can go to. Go to that message center and go see what that notice is. And don't click on it. Do I never click on anything in my email? Sometimes I do. What I click on is if I know that somebody is sending me a contract at that moment. You do have the signature websites that have you click on things like that and sign it. If I know for a fact I'm getting it from someone that I know and trust, then I'll click on it. If I'm doing a password reset, so if I forget my password somewhere and I go hit submit and 30 seconds later I get that email in saying click here to reset your password, I'll click on that. But other than that, if it comes in and somebody says click on this thing, and because they are getting super sneaky. I got one from LinkedIn the other day. It was a scam, and it took me a long time to figure out that it was a scam. They're getting super good at this. So just remember, stop it. Don't click. Go to the website and check it out. So hopefully you go out and check out that Bob Newhart Stop It video. Let me know what you think of that video. I laugh every time I see it. And if you like these videos, please click and subscribe. And you can find us on the web at www.coloradosupport.com. You can also call us at 719-439-0599 if you have questions on any of this or if you need help on making your IT work better in your business. Have a fantastic week, and we'll see you next week.